Can you guess what the #1 selling item was? Leave a comment below.
I like it.
This is Jeff. Top 5 selling items from 2019. Stay tuned. Coming in at number 5, our birthday bags. With this, you get everything you need for an impromptu birthday party. A little candle, some balloons, and a little gift for whoever's birthday it is. It could be your friends or it could be yourselves if you're at the bar alone on your birthday. Coming in at number 4, these nifty stunner shades. Perfect for when you want to party rock all night. Coming in at number 3, these cool lighters. With them, you get a vintage baseball card. Coming in at number 2, the mystery bags. What's in them? It's a mystery. Coming in at number 1, the Lotteria. Let's open it and see what my fortune is. It's spicy. The La Luna. It's La Luna. Secrets, lovers, listen to your inner voice. Love is in the air. Do you want it? Which one of these items caught your eye? Why don't you leave a comment below and let us know. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.